Wildkrautbürste WB750. Weeds are incredibly resilient grass, able to grow in the most adverse conditions. It can break through the cracks of road tiles, spoiling aesthetic appearance of parks, sidewalks, and other walkways. To clear a sidewalk path that was overgrown on the edge, you can choose a nozzle with a vertically rotating disc and a special rotating brush. The disc cuts the soil exactly on the edge, and also helps the equipment exactly to go right along the sidewalk. The fast rotating brush rips cut weeds with the extra soil and throws them in the middle of the sidewalk. Some models, for example this Wildkrautbürste WB750 made in Germany, is able to cope even with strong thickets. Not only does it get rid of weeds, but it also cleans the surface of the tiles. Beck's HS131HR. Maintaining the city neat and tidy is a complex task that consists of many steps, requires large financial and labor costs. This is the Beck's HS131HR, a special purpose vehicle designed to quickly and neatly trim hedges of any height. It is quite compact, so it can ride on the narrow sidewalks and paths. In the front, the Beck's HS131HR is equipped with a nozzle with a cutter, which deals with branches and leaves in a matter of seconds, leaving a neat cut surface. The nozzle height is adjustable, and it can cut even a very high hedge in 2 or 3 times. It's noteworthy that the nozzle is connected to a pipe through which all the branches and leaves fall into the cargo tank. Thanks to this design, one unit of machinery can independently deal with the hedges. It doesn't need a person who would go and clean up after it. Rapid Rex Twister. Haymaking is an important process in any farm because it's the perfect food for some animals, especially considering the fact that it's not always possible to feed them fresh food. Hay harvest should be as fast as possible because rainfall can significantly degrade its quality and even make it rot. Usually, hay is harvested with a special pitchfork. Even a few people barely can deal with the whole field in a few days. The Rapid Rex Twister is a special machine designed for work on steep slopes. It allows you to easily pick up the hay and then transport it to a flat place, from where a forklift or a special press take it later. Thanks to it, the work becomes less tiring and, of course, saves time. HEM593R Cobra. The equipment you see on the screen is created for collecting cut branches and other wood products. The boom can be equipped with a bucket or grapple. It lifts the wooden materials and then puts them into a special crusher. The HEM593R Cobra is designed to handle even large branches and very hard species of trees. In the crusher, the branches turn into wood chips before being transferred to the cargo bucket. The main feature of this particular vehicle, produced by the German company Jens, is that it has excellent maneuverability. Engineers designed it with the expectation that you'll have to drive off the road in a mountainous area. That is why it copes with tasks on any, even difficult landscapes. The Cobra is an excellent, technologically advanced alternative to tractors equipped with mulchers. It's noteworthy that the vehicle develops a speed of 80 km per hour and can be used even in confined spaces. Kiston Transporter KT20. Some companies engaged in the cultivation of apples use special equipment for transporting ripe harvested fruits. This is the Kiston Transporter KT20. Its compact dimensions make it easy to move even among the trees without damaging them. The machine shows an amazing capacity and at a time can carry 22 full boxes of fruit or 29 empty boxes. Its unique feature is that the boxes in the cargo part are stored in 3 floors. With a retractable fork, the equipment picks up the boxes and then pulls them to the loading platform. Once all the boxes are inside, the operator lifts them up to the top level, then the Kiston Transporter KT20 is again ready for loading. The machine not only speeds up the loading processes in the gardens, but also handling processes at the factories. Budissa Bagger RM800. High-capacity plants producing 10,000 tons of silage per year requires specialized, powerful equipment to collect it all. This machine is designed to facilitate the silage compression and is called the Budissa Bagger RM800. Produced by the German company Budissa Bag, it's able to harvest from 75 to 120 tons of silage feed per hour. This machine is equipped with hydraulics and is relatively simple in operation. First, people put a bag to collect the silage on it, then use the tractor to transport the material to a special platform, which goes directly into the bag. A unique feature of the Budissa Bagger RM800 is that it helps to minimize losses of silage feed. The platform's equipped with protective boards on all sides, so that the material doesn't spill on the ground and falls into the bag completely. Wrap 10. The engineers of this device thought about how much time is wasted during the trimming of small bushes. To give one plant a smooth shape by hand with scissors, it'll take a lot of time and certain skills. Applying precisely the same form to another bush nearby to look aesthetically pleasing is even more difficult, because you need to stick to a certain size. The Wrap 10 is a machine for automatic trimming. Giving the desired appearance to one plant takes only 10 seconds. The position of the knives is set once at the beginning, and then you can be sure that all the bushes will have the same shape and size. It's noteworthy that using the Wrap 10 you can groom areas with large and small bushes. The cutting size can be customized to suit individual needs. The video shows how 40 cm bushes are cut.